Well, as you can see right now in my front yard, there's no snow. Yep, all the snow went once again north of Detroit. All we got is rain as usual. What a surprise. We can't even get 1 inch of snow. In fact, we can't even get 1 inch of snow the whole entire month of December because it's rigged. Thanks to HARP, chemtrails, geoengineering, all that stuff. We can't get snow. Of course, the woken Democrats are going to say, oh, it's because of climate change and global warming. I say bullshit. There is something wrong. We can't get snow. I'll give you an example. It was 33 degrees all day long, pouring rain. Meanwhile, just north of here, they're getting snow. That's rigged. Give me a break. And we can't get snow in the forecast. In fact, according to AccuWeather, there is no snow the rest of this calendar year. That is ridiculous. You're telling me we can't even get 1 inch? Not one? But look at this. Look at this snowless landscape we got here. It's fucking ridiculous, okay? But if people like it, though, the Wokens, they like it. Black Lives Matter loves it. I think it's ridiculous, okay? Look at this. It's so depressing. We can't even get 1 fucking inch of snow, and we won't get any snow. It won't snow until the middle of January. That way, it's Martin Luther King Day and Black Lives Matter. They go out and march and carry your signs of George Floyd and everything else. That's fine. Whatever. But it's rigged. It's ridiculous. As you can see, look at this. Nothing. It couldn't even snow 1 friggin' inch. We missed it all and got rain. What a fucking ripoff.